This is a brand new collection from our friends at Stamperia. Now, I don't speak French, so I'm not even going to try this, but I do know that translated, it means artist workshop. Now, we do have the passion section of Stamperia, which is music and dance, and that's beautiful. Well, this is going to get more into the other side of creativity, so let me open this up. As always, the opening page has a lot of cutouts, so you can see that this is with painting, with drawing, with some writing also, so that's a really nice balance to the passion. And you can see there is an artist workshop, so very fun, as is the title of this. On the back side, well, that's been a very busy artist there, I would say. Very pretty with this scene, and again, you can cut these out, you can use them as you like. The backgrounds are always a very collage look. In fact, collage is really the watchword of Stamperia. Here we have, it is in spring when the rebirth of life begins, art. Very pretty. And there's the background, just quite lovely. And there we have a whole scene going on, colors, brushes, nibs, and ideas. So that's good to have. And there's the background. Art is not just a painting. That's interesting. And there we have lots of words and just really, really nice. Art is the essence of being. Create. If there is feeling, there is art. So you can see just some beautiful pieces. And there's the back of it. Here's some cutouts, which they normally have in their books. And you can see that they'd be simple to cut out because they're straight lines. And the back side is a little bit plainer, but still incredibly useful. Here we have a whole stack of luggage. Absolutely love luggage and boxes. Some frames with some special things inside. There's the back side of it. Art has a lot to show. So there we go. And the back side. And then some more with color wheels and all sorts of very fun. It'd be a very fun collage to do with these. And here we have paints. Again, just a lot of fun things. Dominoes, that's interesting. And on the back we have this. Then a lot of cutouts that you can do. So lots of painting, drawing, and flowers. So that's a good group. Now, to match this and to go with it, there is a set of die cuts. And this is quite a treasure trove. There are 76 pieces in this collection. And as with all of Stamperia's chipboard, it is on a very sturdy base. And objects with stories to tell become art. That's nice. So you can see just a lot of the imagery that you saw, but there's also quite a bit more. Now, this is the largest piece, and it's about 4 3/4 inches tall. And you can pop out that handle for the hand, and brushes, teacups, color wheels. And there's also the smaller pieces, which are just so useful. So we've got a lot of buttons, we've got some keys, we've got a time clock, and a door, and brushes, and some more. So you can see there's just quite a variety here. All of it works to go together quite beautifully. Artist Workshop is the name of the collection.